Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Today's video is about the role of the data scientist. A lot of people wonder if being a data scientist is a promising career path. Maybe you're wondering because the concept is brand new to you, and maybe you don't even know what it is that a data scientist really does. Today's video is to help you decide if being a data scientist is a good career for you. We'll look at what data science is, what data scientists do, and what it takes to become a data scientist. As always, let us know if you find this topic interesting by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Also, let us know if you're interested in becoming a data scientist in the comments down below. So what is a data scientist? Well, any raw bit of information that we can process to obtain valuable output is called data. Data can be in small amounts or in large quantities. A data scientist is responsible for gathering and analyzing large dumps of data. This data is both structured and unstructured. These scientists combine mathematics and statistics with computational science and create an output. These scientists also analyze, process, and model the data. They also help in interpreting the results into actionable plans for companies. So, what do data scientists do? Data scientists are somewhat like regular scientists. They excel themselves as analytical experts. They utilize these skills to explore new trends to manage data. Profound knowledge of the industry gives them a better understanding of how data models work in these businesses. They utilize these stats to refine their research further. To put it in simple words, a data scientist will convert raw, unstructured, and messy data into an organized database for better evaluation. So, what skills matter for becoming a data scientist? Technical skills aren't the only ones that are needed to become a data scientist. A data scientist should also have deep insight into how businesses work. They also need to have data-driven organizational decision-making. They have to broaden their visions to be effective communicators as well as team leaders and members. Thinking analytically is the key to becoming a practical data scientist. An experienced data scientist is tasked with developing a company's database from the bottom to the top. Not only this, but they will work with other departments of the corporation as well, such as marketing, operations, customer care, etc., etc. With such heavy duties, data scientists are often paid quite well because they have to work with multiple departments simultaneously. So what are the benefits that come with being a data scientist? Well, first of all, it's trending. Data science is in high demand. Many companies are constantly searching for a professional data scientist and would spend good money to have one. About 11.5 million jobs for data scientists are expected to be created on LinkedIn by 2026. More positions, fewer people. Despite having such a high pay level and such a large amount of open positions, fewer people are applying for the job. The reason is due to the high requirements by the companies, and people just aren't serious about this field. A high salary. When I said that data science is a highly paying job, I was referring to big bucks. An average data scientist can earn anywhere from $90,000 to $120,000 per year. It's a versatile field. Data science is not just about computers and numbers. It's applied widely in banking, e-commerce, healthcare, consultancies, and many other fields, making it very versatile. So you have many opportunities here. Smarter products. Data science also involves machine learning, which helps industries create better products. You can make better e-commerce websites, and you can also help develop better AI technology-driven products. Better output. Let's say a company has lots of user data about its sales. How can they use this raw data to shape their company policies? Well, they'll ask a data scientist to step in and analyze this data. A data scientist would evaluate the data with their insights to make it worthwhile for future sales. The requirements needed to become a data scientist. Complete your studies. Degrees do matter. You'll need at least a bachelor's in computer or data science or statistics. Your degree will make your resume more likely to be recognized. Also, data science can be learned side by side with short online courses and boot camps. It's really never too late. I'd also like to note that in our video, Data Science Beginner Mistakes, I've mentioned that focusing too much on education is one of the common mistakes that a lot of beginner data scientists make, which is true, but that doesn't mean getting a degree isn't important. Many employers do have a minimum education requirement in order to help them eliminate a chunk of resumes that are submitted. So having that degree will certainly increase your chances of getting in front of an employer's eyes. Also, if you want to watch data science beginner mistakes, then I'll include a link to that video in the description as well. Also, if you're still with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Be skilled. As I mentioned in data science beginner mistakes, getting a degree isn't enough. You need to be skilled enough to have a practical understanding of how data science works. Firstly, you need to learn programming and machine learning techniques. You can also study data reporting, risk and statistical analysis, effective communication, and software engineering skills. In addition to this, you should also research data mining, cleaning, and munging. Learn how to handle big data and cloud tools. Have an understanding of data warehousing and structures. Learning about these metrics would be the next step on the ladder. Do a specialization. There are many specialization fields inside data science. You can choose one major and excel in it. The top trending fields are artificial intelligence, database management, machine learning, and research. Developing strong skills in one of these areas would make you a professional. Also, specialization will help you land more serious jobs, and in doing so also earn you more money. Getting that entry-level job. You need to land your first job. Create an online portfolio to upload your related projects and showcase your accomplishments. You also need to find a company that treats its employees well and believes in teamwork. As a data scientist, it's all about teamwork. Also, working as a team will help you develop your skills and prepare you for more senior positions. Certifications. Certifications for data science are essential. The CAP, or the Certified Analytics Professional, is a certification designed for data scientists. This certification involves learning an end-to-end analytics process and an exam. You would also learn how to frame a business and analyze its problems, data, methodology, and solution. Another certification is for the SaaS Enterprise Miner users for performing predictive analytics. This certification is challenging, and candidates must have a deep understanding of functionalities for predictive modeling in SaaS Enterprise Miner 14. Get a master's degree. Now, this may not be essential, but as I already said, being a data scientist is different. Earning a master's degree in the subject means more knowledge and opportunities to make more money. According to Birchworks, about 90% of data scientists have a bachelor's degree. So having a master's degree would help you stand out and benefit you more. So there we have it. If you have a genuine passion for data science, go for it. It is a great career with lots of opportunities, lots of room for future career growth. It's high in demand and earns a good salary. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.